Titan Pay watches with contactless payments launched in India starting at 2,995 rupees. Titan has unveiled a total of 5 watches with contactless payments. Dubbed Titan Pay, the company has partnered with the State Bank of India to launch these watches. Titan Pay makes use of NFC to communicate with compatible MasterCard-enabled POS machines. Titan has added the NFC chip in the leather strap of these watches. The functionality is limited to SBI account holders for now and is powered by Yono SBI. It is worth mentioning that users can make payments up to 2,000 rupees without having to enter a PIN. According to Titan, you can remotely switch off the payments feature in case you misplace or lose your smartwatch. You can even permanently block your Titan Pay watch through the Yono app. Titan has launched these watches in its classic black and brown leather straps. You get round dials and the classy design the company is known for. Titan has always been at the pinnacle of design and innovation. We have always launched products to cater to the changing needs of our consumers. SBI is the perfect partner to introduce a payment solution for the new normal that is fast, secure, and seamless, says C.K. Venkataraman, Managing Director of Titan. As mentioned above, there are 5 watches in the Titan Pay collection, 3 for men and 2 for women. The prices for men's watches are 2,995 rupees, 3,995 rupees, and 5,995 rupees, while women's watches are priced at 3,895 rupees and 4,395 rupees. If you're an SBI customer and are interested, you may check out Titan Pay watches from Titan's online store.